How's it going, everybody? Welcome back and welcome to another video. My name is Jake, your knight of horsepower. Remember, let's chase the thrill of the adventure and charge into the unknown because, Kaeden...
I already forgot it. I'm being dead serious.
It's a lot more fun
to live life on the edge.
You get a nice little gold star for that, just boop, right there.
Sensational.
All right, so we're gonna be working on Kaeden's car today because I don't have anything to do with my bike or my cars, and I don't know. I had planned to do wheels on the GT4, but it's kind of a toss-up in the air right now on if I sell it or not. I think Kaeden's telling me I should keep it. I don't know. We got some fun plans with it. But anywho, so today on Kaeden's car, we're gonna be installing a new skid plate. One, because he is slammed and lowered and he wants to protect his oil pan. And then secondly, we're adding Gamma, what are they called, Kaeden?
Project Gamma.
Project Gamma front mount air intakes, which if you're not familiar with BMW, they're gonna sit right here behind the little kidney grills. They'll look super good. I must say, Kaeden's Beamer is very clean. So clean, in fact, he's got some friends living with him. I'm sorry, I just kind of had to.
They pay rent.
Pay rent.
Whoa!
Wow.
Shut up.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. This is too convoluted. Are we gonna have to remove the front strut?
Yeah, I'll remove that.
Why do they make these cars so difficult to work on?
Well, there's 4 bolts.
That's a lot.
Nah.
It's way more than what I had to do with the Street Fighter. Okay, on the very last part, essentially, in tightening everything up, we have Uno. Second one's being tightened up right now. Routes down and there, and then up and around and down. You said it was pretty difficult getting this one to...
Yeah, that corner sucked, and getting underneath this coolant hose.
Yeah, that seems... I mean, at least these are so much flexible.
It's a tight corner.
Yeah, that didn't seem fun at all. So I wasn't there for that part, but
sucked.
Nope, I've just, my job's been very difficult for this installation. It's, yeah, it's been like about that.
This guy.
Yeah.
This freak. Get a load of this guy.
You can hear it just ever so slightly, but it's not, it's kind of hard. Did
you hear anything?
It's hard to hear.
I didn't hear nothing.
It's really hard to hear. If you set the mic inside the engine bay, maybe, but
okay.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's gonna change.
Yeah, I think so too. It'll be a good comparison.
Yeah.
Wasn't a whole lot of noise with the stock. You could hear it a little bit, but these new ones, you can hear it like a lot. So we're gonna... Okay. You don't think it's loud?
Oh, I can't hear anything in there.
Really?
Yeah. You're like behind the... I don't know. They're all the way up there now.
It's pretty loud. Like, let's see, what's...
You do it in a second, yeah. Can't hear anything. Oh! Wait. That's way louder.
It's so loud.
Like, you can't hear it much from there, huh?
I can hear it a little bit, but
not like out here. Oh my gosh.
Woo! Yeah, that sounds so good. One more. Good measure. Oh my gosh. So you heard it sounds great. Everything's put back together, and I'd say Kaeden's pretty happy with it, right?
Yeah, that's a good purchase.
Yeah, definitely.
That was well worth it.
That sounds super good.
Yeah, it does.
Thank you all so much for tuning into the video. Greatly appreciate it. If you've made it this far, as you know, you're already extra awesome on top of already being awesome, but extra awesome for staying all the way through the end of the video. Make sure to live life, as always, on the edge because it's a lot more fun. Stay safe. Take care. We'll see y'all in the next one.